Yo, London,
Sir?
you up early?
Yep.
You was celebrating Juneteenth last yesterday.
Um, no, not really.
Your charts ready?
Yes.
Where Josh ass at this morning, Mister
He probably sleep.
he sleep.
I don't know. I ain't text him.
Don't text him. He know what time we start.
No, I wasn't finna text him.
I would like for that market. You know how Wednesday we were looking for a push down at 9:30. That's what I want to see today because it's a nice 15-minute gap right here. I like for it to touch. So we just wait. We got no news today, so 9:30 might be the news driver, the opener to send us down there first before going up. We confirmed on both time frames, the 4 hour and the 15 minute. Oh shit! Yes, I forgot my ID. Copy link. What up, Israel?
And
Got your charts ready?
yes,
Bailey back, man. Guess who's back? Back again.
Yes, sir.
That man doing all that goddamn screaming at that event, man, and lost his voice, man. Oh yeah, news 8:30. Boy, previously house already taken. Mm. Yeah, still looking up. We hit the 4 hour bullish gap. We rolling, man. Rolling. Ain't no retrace. Yo, E, ain't no retrace.
Good morning, man.
Ain't no retrace. This thing outside.
I had an inkling it was gonna do that, bro.
We took previous week low. I told Miss Sharon. Miss Sharon like, you're looking no, like, yeah, we took previous week
Yeah,
low.
go to your 15 minute. You already on it, right? Yeah. Go down to the bottom. Now this
Down
is
here.
move. The bottom of the 5 model. right here, right now. Now,
Yeah,
when we was on Zoom yesterday,
yeah, just sitting
we
there.
were talking. It was just sitting there. The market was closed. I'm looking at it. I'm like, I didn't see the signature before. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm looking at the bottom down here. I'm like, that looked like the bottom to me. You know what I mean?
But
Because I'm looking at the
then
left, up
also
to the left.
this right here was this right here is a
Right.
clue. Asian Open, it gapped up like that,
I knew
man.
it. Yep. And that was the tell. I was like, man, look at that. It just took off.
Just took off.
I knew they was gonna do that, man. But you didn't give you a chance to participate. It took off, man. But I was looking at it. I was looking at it when we was on there. And I was looking at this part right here. I'm looking at this part. And I'm like, drop, consolidate, bought in this wick right there. When they did that, I'm watching, I'm like, I'm gonna see how this play when it opens. Man, it opened up 6 o'clock. It just I'm like, yeah,
He gone.
it's a signature. That little move right there. I seen that.
Yeah, it's called see you later.
And you have no gaps. No gaps. It's all good. Get it playing in people's face.
Yeah, I'm looking for 930 to be. I need 930 to come out to this 15-minute gap. I think it's rolling, man. Gave you -1 on that move right there. The 750 macro.
Am I right now? I can't see what time it is. What's this? What time is that? Let me see.
801,
Yeah, right there. Right there. Yep.
809.
So it was created and retraced into option A.
Option A.
Option A.
And I like it because I wouldn't have looked to the left because it had ran so far up higher. I think that's the trade Miss Debbie took. She said she's done. Yeah, I think Miss Debbie took that trade.
Which one? That same one we just talked about.
Yeah,
Yeah. It didn't run no high. So until it got hurt.
right.
Right. It was created, the gap was created during the macro and retraced into during the macro. Her answer 3 scenarios, A, B, C's. And just depending on when you wanted to get in on it. Because technically, oh yeah, I see what you did. The 50%.
Mm-hmm.
Because you could have got in early. Well, could have got in right here. Because the gap right there, but on that counter, but yeah, stop still gotta be there.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Gotta respect the game.
That's at the game. And then for me, like I talked about before, oh, Miss Stephanie got into volume balance. When I see this huge run up, man, I'm not parking my shit, man. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. You gotta show me.
Right.
You gotta show me. That's the web train
The money trade.
on the train.
See if she gonna stop by here today. Keep rolling. Should retrace. Where's that right now? Okay. Well, I see Mr. Baylor on here today, huh? Okay.
He came back.
I see Sanaya on there. Okay, all right, yeah, okay.
She came early. Usually she come trickling about 9:15.
So they got bit by that bug, man.
Right.
Once it gets you, it got you. So let's look at this from our perspective.
I need to Judas down. Something at 9:30. It got to come down a little bit.
I'll go over anything about like from a TFA perspective, like what this look like.
You said what?
Did y'all go over anything about what it looked like from a TFA perspective?
What this NQ?
Yeah.
Nah. Mr. Ryan want to know about the indicator. It's called QQQ by PT Gambler. Let's see. I need this thing to move down. Ain't no resistance on this 15 minute at all. It's previously, it's nothing stopping this. Mm, 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 mm. Mr. Ron said, "Did you change any settings?" Uh,
Yep.
uh,
Let's go to style.
yeah,
Styles.
style. I took off. It had lines up here. I took that off because that was back in our old days. Took styles off, and then I moved the offset up to 20 because the closer you put it, closer it comes to the numbers. So I did it at 20.
Boy, that opening range gap gonna be woo.
Wait. Hey, hey, no, but that's a clue too. If we reject off of the top half of that opening range gap, we're not coming back. We're not coming back. They can book pretty high at that time.
We've been in this range, man. About 2 weeks.
It's time. It's time to go.
Let me see something. Let's see. Yeah, you can make the argument we've been in this range since for a minute, bro. Let me go out go to a higher time frame.
Oh, you at home in the
Yeah, I'm in the back cave today.
in the command center.
CENTCOM. Have been in this range for yeah. It's been about a month, almost a month, or 3 weeks, 2, 3 weeks.
It's time to go.
Go to that daily counter. I mean, looking like he might try to. That's crazy. Peep the current daily counter so far, at least.
It's so wild because you combining yesterday and today together basically.
I'm expecting some chicanery this weekend, though, bro. Somebody gonna pull a stunt, one way or
Right.
another. I'm gonna say, "Oh, we agree to terms," or
We
"Oh,
gonna
somebody
we
gonna
gonna
drop something."
right. We gonna cease fire.
Open up right in that gap. Check the weekly. Let me check the month.
Check the yearly.
That monthly chart is wild, bro. That's a wild ass chart. Straight gas since April 1st. Since April.
You gotta come on down, man. Come on, man.
You want to retrace so well? Give me some.
Hey, I want at least
Don't run all the way up there.
top of
Don't give me
that 15 gap. Because like you say, that opening range gap gonna be huge, man. Hold on, but how are they using the opening range gap? Are they using it? Is yesterday and today one day? It might not be opening range gap.
Oh yeah, well, yeah, I'm
Let's
not.
go. We go.
Time is it ain't even 9 o'clock yet.
It ain't even 9 o'clock yet, man. It ain't even 9 o'clock, man. We about to hit previous day high, man.
Oh man,
Right. Tell me about it, man. It ain't even 9 o'clock yet, man.
also, there was some plays to get in there. I see some early. Some nice plays. But yeah, that 808, 809 retrace, that was chef kiss. Oh, she said she came in on the volume imbalance right there at 809.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, shout out to Miss Debbie.
No, that was Miss Stephanie. She came under VI. She did the Miss Sharon entry.
Yeah, talking about the 809, right?
Yeah. It might not come back.
This is like he's finishing the move it left off from yesterday.
Come on, man.
Y'all stay right here.
Right. See, and like when we was basing yesterday after taking previous week low, I'm like, yeah, here we go.
Yeah.
Here we go.
That's where the smart money came in at, right? Yeah.
Last night. Right. On Juneteenth, they said, oh, y'all think we going lower? That's why I personally could never swing no futures, man. Not the way this market, man. Imagine if you was trading yesterday and you said, okay, I'm gonna swing this going into Friday. We're gonna close out the week down, man. And you jumping off the bridge right now.
Well, if you use a high time frame now, you shouldn't even been swinging nothing. Because it ain't made no decision. It's just posting up in this spot. Every time you think it's finna drop, it just keep pressing.
We're about to open up. Oh, we're only up 83 points, but I need to drop down at open. It has to drop down for me.
But yeah, most definitely. Let's see which 15-minute gap we're gonna use. Gap one. I think we gonna be ran the highs by 9. Oh no, by 9:30.
It's wild, man. Look at this shit. Let's go, man. Hey, man. Hey, go ahead and take our pre-day high, man. Turn this shit off, man. You do all that, man. I don't want none of it.
What's the high of the week?
Uh, 22, 223.
Mark that. Mark that. Just mark. Cause if they go up there and do that by 10:30.
Right.
TGI Friday. Looking.
I don't like all this movement before 9:30, man. It's like, man. And ain't no news today, so they might stall this move out all day.
Well, let's go to the cards. It says
Large overnight move
large
avoid.
overnight move. Warrior obsession and focus on field. What the dollar looking like? Let me see. Dollar.
Thing wild the way it's moving.
$9.
Yo, Bailey, your chart ready?
No, I won't lie.
Okay. Yeah, all night, man.
I slept all night. I got home, I ate some good dinner, and then you know what I mean. I just went to sleep at 6 and didn't wake up to just now for real.
Man, anybody sleeping no from 6 o'clock. What was y'all doing at ROTC, man?
So basically, we was waking up at 5, and then we would go get like breakfast, and then we'll do like activities and like all day in the heat because it's like South Carolina, so we was doing activities in the heat, and then we would go to sleep at like 10. And I don't be getting sleep at night, so I was like really going to sleep at like 12, so I was mad tired.
You ain't did y'all stop by that what's that black dude who be doing the fried uh
Look at that now.
the
Look at that. Look at that. Look at right there.
yeah, what's his name? That be doing cooking the fried food and that he be baptized in it. Y'all ain't go there, did y'all?
No.
Did you learn anything?
Yeah, I learned a couple things.
Is it hot up there?
Yeah, it was pretty high, I won't lie. A couple people I passed out.
Yeah, I figured it might be monkey.
Did they fake pass out so they can go home or they pass out?
Nah, they was passing out. We was in that like military OCPs, and we got like the jackets on. People was hot. It was hot.
Let's see
What did Mama cook for dinner
what
last night?
come on.
Nothing too crazy, just lasagna. Like nothing too
Come on.
crazy, nothing too special.
This was up. This was up.
Let's go. See what it did right at 9 o'clock. Get you a little.
You little push down.
Yeah, right into that gap. Oh no, ain't no gap.
You know that. You gonna make it a gap. We know that. Yeah, gold just look raggedy right now. Not even looking at it. It looks raggedy. Real raggedy. Yeah, gold look real raggedy on a higher time frame. It gave the CID here this morning, came back to it, ran the high, then it come. It's like it's raggedy. It's not giving you no push after it run a short term high.
See what it look like on the 4 hour. Go, go, go.
Market maker sell mode on this 4 hour. That's like a sell mode all the way down here. Ain't no gaps on this 4 hour till you get all the way down here, 32.62.
Go up one more step.
One more step, E.
Let's see something. Oh no, man. Yeah, short term. I would be bearish short term.
Right. It don't even look good. That's why I didn't just say nope, not today. Because it's not even giving you no push up after it run the short term high. That's it. It's dropping all the way back down, well below the bullet CID. I'll pass. Yo, Jamal, your chart's ready?
Almost.
What's up?
$2 this morning. Okay.
You asleep then, right?
So two, that, and then so she never came back.
No, she on gas all day, man.
I was looking at it from a TFA standpoint. I'm like, okay. She went into a 4-hour gap and then went up, confirmed the CID at 7:30 this morning, 7:30, 7:45 count.
Mm-hmm.
It said, I'm gonna holler at y'all.
Catch me if you can. That's it. That's what I said. Catch me if you can. It's a y'all working on discipline. I'll show y'all today.
But I'm still gonna put my line there. Who knows, you might get a mean Judas. Down. Hit it. Flip. Phew.
See, then see this line ain't fucking will go until we get out this range. Because then it hit you with this. It hit you with this. Come on, all out the blue. Then at 10 points. In that same 15-minute CID. Same one. It did hit it. Ah, not today. I'll wait. Hold on. I'll be right back.
Run this field right quick. From here to here. Retrace.
Yo, E. Where that boy E at?
Oh, my bad. I thought I heard my mic was on. What's up?
Look at this shit, man. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, man. That's what I'm talking about, man. Nah, man. Look at that. One. Mm-mm.
Hey, man.
Nope. Mm-mm.
You like the wild.
Yeah. She from Florida. Nope. I like this too on NQ. Just stay right here.
There you go. Okay. And I'm looking at it. Yeah. Yeah. I ran the fib already.
No, no, I don't think I think it might stop here, man. Shit, man.
It ain't in discount. That's not discount.
Hey, discount.
For that range, but I'm looking at this as those 3 down counters is an order block.
Yeah.
I'm not sure it's that kind of love on a Friday. Let's see. So let's just say that, okay, so the target would be from the option standpoint, if it did that.
Oh, uh,
What's that?
I 31.
Yeah, that's the.
Yeah, let me make it known so nobody can say I ain't tell them.
Not
If
financial advice.
Right, this isn't financial advice, but if we push down at 930 inside of this gap or this and flip, and we flip bullish on the 1 minute, I would be looking at a 531, 532 call. See, this right here is that 4 hour gap. That's what I think. That's what I really think it's headed to. It's that little piece of that gap right here on the 4 hour. Little piece left. So if we flip, hey, what I really would like to see, hey man, it might not give it to me the way I want to see it. Like 930 come down here and just sit down here to about 10:30, and then at 10:50 macro, man, set it and walk away. I repeat, if we come down here at opening and Judas lower and we flip bullish, I'm looking at 531. Oh, hey yo, so now your mama said, how you get those strikes side by side on your chart? Okay, go to indicators, type in QQQ. This one right here, PT Gambler. Click that. It's gonna show up like this. Go to your settings of that indicator. Take off the lines. And I got it on my inputs at offset 20 for QQQ. Oh, okay. All right. Like they got options called NDX too on
Yeah. That's the SPX version of
yeah. Yeah.
yeah. Wow.
Huh?
What? Yeah. SPX high end, relatively
Yeah.
speaking.
Yeah, but
Then
people are saying
NDX is the SPX version of NQ.
but well, people are saying that it was cheaper. Let me go to my
You gonna look and see? I don't know.
so this one, let me see, go by 50. Let's go 25. Okay. Okay.
Mm, 22.
This has
Oh,
options gonna open up juice as hell, man. Uh, Mr. Ross said, "What is NDX again?" This is the XPX version of
NQ.
uh, what's stopping it from previous week high? What's stopping it from up here? Shit.
Well, that same gap might stop it. But other
Wait,
than that,
no, but
but
We
that's the
really
reason
got
why I asked
all
you.
this.
Right, it swept it, but it stayed within that swing low. See what I'm saying?
Hey man, just imagine like on a holiday, it do that yesterday. And nothing open. It's like what?
So the only thing two stop is that 4 hour gap, that piece of gap. Other than that, how
Nothing.
do we?
Man, all time high.
No. Still got to work on
Yeah.
it. But
I know my dog Owen is. I'm about to hit him up right now, man. I'm about to hit him up.
just keep on moving, don't stop, no.
That mean you in it.
Nah, I ain't. I thought about it, but I decided not to.
I'm about to hit Owen like I know you in this buyout.
I'm on here with the churn today, man. We're
No,
moving as a unit.
shit. The market moving with us. What's the
All right. She gonna move at 9:32. We moving as a unit today.
okay.
She do all this, but man.
This is wild, man. Trade. What's today? 20th. What's the strike we at right now? 529? Let's see. 529 call is gonna be. Let me look at
7
open.
minutes. She about to complete this model.
Right.
We're gonna go and run it. Don't worry about it.
She 529 call for today.
She run this 15-minute swing out. Straight on up.
She gone.
Well, she take out the 10:30 candle from yesterday. No, that one yesterday. That was Wednesday. Before open, she can have that. I won't be looking. I'm looking for something different.
Right. This is 529 QQQ right now.
That's a nice model.
I wanna see what this open up at in 5 minutes. This is 529. It was 287. This thing might be up here. Nah, it might be higher than that. It might be all the way up here.
Mm.
How much to 530s? What are you gonna open up at? Let's see.
I hit the first presented gap on for Monday. And just retrace right off of it. Yeah.
3 minutes. 3 minutes. Yo, Amir,
Yes, sir.
good morning.
Good morning.
Late night, early mornings?
No, I was here.
I told E to stop by your house while
Oh,
you're down there, man.
all right. Still doing this. All right.
We rolling. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. This open if this open up like this, that 530 would be $1 from off the money. I'm see how much it open up at.
Somebody be like, close. They got that.
I know some like if you got enough capital, you can close the option out at 830.
Oh,
If
for
you
real?
like, yeah. Ooh, you pushing. Yeah,
See,
yeah.
I want it. Yeah,
Ooh, it's
good.
gone.
Straight on that.
You're right,
I'm
exactly.
straight on that. You doing all
I'm
that.
straight on it, man.
I'm not looking for that no more.
530.
Yeah,
Here you
look
go.
at that. So, yeah, see, nah.
Hey, it can complete that buy amount of pretty high. There you go. That 4 hour gap is coming.
It's going, man. I think like it's trying to go pretty way high. How high I want to go?
Right. Hey,
That's
I
why I
told
asked
you.
the mark.
Right, 15-minute mark, make it buy model complete right there.
Yep. You take that scenario off the board for me. I'm
Mm-hmm.
good.
I'm not looking up no more. I'm looking down now. Hey yo, Amir.
Yes, sir.
So we just took previous day high. What's next?
Um, After that, we'll look for the bearish CISD.
Yeah, 15 minutes. That was a hell of a move right there,
Was,
man.
man.
I'm just looking like, man, if you got in the top of that 4 hour gap, that's 200 points. 230.
You just YOLO'd your option from yesterday to today.
No, it wasn't open yesterday.
Oh, that's right. Options ain't no more yesterday.
All right, you'd been YOLO and the thing is from Wednesday.
Yeah, see that one today, you no good.
Mhm. Okay, we got 10 seconds. I want to see what this open up at. 7, 5, 4, 3, 2. That's it. $3. Ah, Lord. What the what the 529
Okay.
open up at?
Okay.
Okay, 529 opened up. That's it. What the 528? Nah, see, right. See,
Look at that.
uh-uh. See, that's what happened because we was already up. Remember, Wednesday we was up. We didn't even drop it until the holiday when the market wasn't open.
Boy, that thing is just touch and go.
Mm-hmm. You go.
Went down into them gaps and went below.
Look at the option.
What else is in play?
Yeah, I'm not looking up. I'm not looking up at all today. Let me go to the chart. Share. Yeah, I'm not looking up. It's a hell of a move today too. Only way I look up is nope. Because this kind of gonna close at 10 o'clock. The next one will open up at 10 to 2. Like we say, E, might be a PM session move because now you're looking at this candle closing. The next candle. The next candle does not come to 21 9:45 PM session. We have a 4-hour gap. Hey, yo, Amir, does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Right, yeah. Theta, yep. Yeah, theta eat you up on a daily market close, right? Also, E, like this is this is the high so far this week. If we get up here, like you say, that put it look nice if it flipped. But it's no rush.
Wait a minute, what's going on? Yeah. For a second there, I had delayed data for a second there. I'm like, what the hell? Start that shit. Let's go. Booming right now.
You gonna wait, E, or you gonna take it?
I'm in.
I know. Hey, where you going to the 4-hour gap?
Conservatively. But wait. Nope.
Yo, E, look at this trash today. That's ridiculous, man. Come on, bro. You did all. Come on, man. It's a 20-point move. Nope.
So I'm watching ES. ES ain't did what NQ done did.
Nope. It ain't there yet.
So that was my thesis. That's what I was looking for.
It previously had a 60.73 on ES. ES gave you a 1 minute gap, and ES gave
Came
you
down for 15 minutes. It came back. I was there for the 15 minutes.
but also looking at it from 1 minute, she gave you did the same thing.
All right. Time to go. Mm. YM just now. YM just now.
That down or up?
Let's do that burger like what? I mean, a BPR like what? Yeah, we outside. At that point, it was waiting on the YM. It was like, so YM went and gave a down move, but then she shot back up and closed above, but she just hit something else pseudo. That's interesting. I am managing my trade, boy. Hard up here. Okay, yes. Don't take us to the property line. Come on, Grandma. Come on, Granny. There you go.
Hey yo, Amir, you got your gold chart up?
Um, I might queue. Let me look at. Yes.
Okay, what just happened on gold?
Um, what just happened? I
Yep. If you got your levels and everything marked off, something just happened on gold.
did it take the CID?
No, we hit the 4 hour bearish gap on gold.
Oh, I didn't have my gap.
Come
Here.
on, Amir. Amir, man. Ain't this a 4 hour gap right here? So now we're looking for a 15-minute bearish CID, which right now it would have to come all the way down there down here. We just wait. We just wait on NQ also. Both of them hit higher time frame PD raise. Go hit 4 hour gap. NQ took out previous day high. Couple ticks from your target, E. Close enough for government work.
Not quite yet.
Okay. Okay.
Not quite yet.
Hey yo, E, I got a question about this gold on this 4 hour. So this could potentially be the start of a buy model back up.
Let me see. Squeeze that a little bit more. Yeah, squeeze it up some more. Right there. Okay, yeah. See, that's what I was looking at when I looked at it early. I'm looking at it like this. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because this could retrace here and then shoot on up to there like that. And yeah, we complete that by model. Because this is what the institutions got. That's where your little W at down there. You see it. So in my mind, this is the flip from the selling down to buy back up.
Gotcha.
We will see. If not, then it's coming downhill. You know what I mean?
Right. Right. Like looking at this, like what I want to see is I want to see today's candle. I would love for it to give me a bullish 4 hour BPR, 4 hour bearish bullish gap. Because then this right here is prime because there's a whole lot of liquidity above here at 34.25. It can grab.
Yeah, stop that one.
A lot in profit. This was up.
Yeah.
Yo, Amir, what do we want to see right now if we're looking to go lower? Do you want it to come all the way back down here to confirm the CID, or would you like it to give you a higher high right here and then flush?
You want a higher high, right?
Is that your answer?
Once it hit the gap, you wanted a new CID.
Okay, Miss Williams just sent me her chart. So she was looking at what macro was that she was looking at? Okay, she was looking at the 750 macro on NQ. So she was looking at the same one that everybody else was looking at. So 750. She had her she had her fibs. Yeah, she had her fibs from this
That's
low
good.
to this high. What's the box for? Okay, so this is
I'm saying because my mom, I was telling her that I was looking at it, and so she was like, put the box at where you were trying to get in at. So that was just
okay.
me showing you like that's what made me want to get into the trade.
Yeah, that's right.
Because it came
Hey,
back and it picked me up and then it took back. So I would have gotten in there and then went right up and my stock would have been filled.
only issue you got is if you would have moved just stop to break even after it took out because this is short term high. It took it came back.
Yeah.
But if you'd have held, hey, I know a lot of people on YouTube and them got I know Stephanie got into that trade and a lot say, damn, if I would have held it, hey, if it was a fifth, we all be drunk. Because you're looking at and for me, if I'm looking at this, I want to get in at the VI and then 1.5 be 30. It's a hard hold, man. That's why me personally, I don't like I have a love-hate relationship with 850 macro because you got to hold it through 930 to get the full money out of the move. You got to hold to 930. I would have been out of PZ high for sure, for sure. Hey, I don't care what I do after that. But yeah, that's a great trade. Great trade.
Thank you.
And then also, if you look at it like I talk about like when you look at this range, like nothing on the left, I would have anchored I wouldn't have been comfortable placing my order from looking at the left. It would have to show me on the right side, which it did. Yeah, great trade. Great trade. Ooh, somebody right now crying in the car. Slow down. Give me a higher high. Damn. Hey, E, man. Everybody give a CID shit before 10 o'clock. The way it's pushing right now. Fuck. Damn. If I'm looking at this is my 930 gap right here. Yeah, I'm looking right here. This is where the liquidity at right now. Below this low.
Well, so I'm in that gap still.
Uh-huh.
Like below that wick.
Yep. I'm looking below here. Below
No, I'm talking
here.
about.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm with
Ooh,
you.
wee.
But there's there's some liquidity here too, though.
Yeah.
So I'm getting lost too much in this, so it's all right. But hell back up. But I don't know.
It's Friday. Look at that push, man. This is pushing.
You got a macro started. Yep.
Yep. There we go. Drop that thing.
So let's see when did it sweep that? Yep. Yep,
About to.
swept. And it's equal right now. Okay, now it just swept.
Liquidity is right here right now. I'm looking right here. Hey, yo, E, man, I'll be 1,000% honest, man. I was that person back in the day, man. I would have chased this fucking thing up here and up here. Like, okay, it got to take out that 4 hour gap. Man, I'd have been that dude right there. Let me get back to my 15 minute. Stay on my 15 minute. Like we talk about. We got step one, higher time frame hit. Now we're looking for a 15 minute CID. This thing is pushing. See, man, that's something I hate about gold, man. It's like it don't give you no chance, man. It's hey, man, hey, boy, I gave you the CID, man. You gotta believe me, man. But look, it give you to you right here. It run up, take out the short term, come all the way back. Don't run the low, and then go to the target. 15 minute gap here. And keep on pushing, NQ. Drop that thing, man. There you go, love it. Bye-bye. Yo, Miss Williams.
Yeah.
I know you were looking at the money on that trade. Where would you have held it to?
Well, I probably wouldn't have held it that long. Knowing me, because I probably when it started going all like down, I probably would have got out.
Gotcha.
Because I would have been scared that it was gonna go right back down. Because like I said, I got trouble with holding it. I'd be afraid that I'm gonna lose my money. So
It ain't your money until it's in your bank account. It just play
yeah,
money.
but you get
Play
what I'm
money.
saying. I'd be afraid that I'm gonna lose it, you know? And then I'm gonna get really mad if I lose it. I'm gonna get mad.
Well, hey, if you blow the account, then hey, you gotta live with it. That's why I got you guys getting top step account, so you ain't gotta worry about it. If it pull back, it pull back.
But you know, that doesn't sound that bad.
Either hey, if it pull back, you just it's the cost of doing business. Like right now, I'm looking at this. I want to see this candle in the next 4 minutes. Say like this, and then 10, 10, 15 push up, take out this high, because that also be 10, 15, 10, 15 going into London close. Hey, yo, E, what's up? Hey, we talked about this morning. Large overnight moves avoid the morning session.
Yep. It ain't that bad though. Actually, surprised. I was expecting straight chop.
Hey, what's so crazy is my friend Miss Carol took what I said to heart about options because I said once you had a higher time frame PDRA, you could be a little bit risky with options. She 531 QQQ puts 74 cents to $1.48, 100% on that.
Oh, she took it up?
No, sold it down.
Oh, I was like, what?
Yeah. She said, yeah. Like I say, like you could be a little bit risky. Like you can't be that risky on futures, man. You get your head blown off.
Yeah.
Hey, I like these numbers, man. Hey,
if you liquid as hell,
Hey, I like these numbers here, man. Cause look, that's 531 right there. Yeah, that's what's up. Let me go ahead and look at that option on the chart. Trade QQQ 531 option. Center yellow chart. Uh, Trade 531 QQQ. Copy chart. Paste. Control C. Control V. Yeah. Let me see. Drop that thing. Remove study. Yeah. Yeah, that option should be about 160. Ooh, we dropped that thing.
Come on.
Hey, yo, E, look at this. Let me see. Share. This that 531 QQQ. Let's say you got in 80 cents. It's still then $1.60, 100%. There you go. Ooh, yeah, we dropping. Damn.
I'm out.
You selling it down?
Waiting on the macro.
You know, macro.
Macro showed we wanted to go down. So I was on 15 seconds, went over to a gap.
15 second, man. See, that boy gonna find he gonna find time frame.
It went into a gap and gave me another setup on the other side. Touched that BPR, sold it down.
How look at 4 hours?
About 40 points. 30.
See, I don't like this. It's night. 4, 3, 2, 1. Next candle about to open up. 4 hours. We can't move 50 points. It's gonna be a 4 hour gap here.
All right, 10 o'clock. All right. See what you're trying to do here.
Yeah, shout out to Miss Kara. Hey, he took exactly what I said to her. After you take out a higher time frame, you'll be a little more risky with options. Not no futures. Get your head busted. Hey yo, Miss Williams.
Yes.
The way we gonna do it is we're gonna starting Monday, we're gonna try to risk $250 a trade, 250 to make $500 to $750 in a trade. So what next time what you should do is so say your entry. So calculate from your entry to your stop loss. And whatever that number is, that's how many contracts we're gonna use. So that trade you might can only use one contract because you would have calculated from your entry to the stop loss plus one. Does that make sense, Ms. Williams?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Hey, yo, Bailey, does that make sense?
Repeat that one more time for me.
Okay, so starting Monday, we go when we trade, we going to risk $250 per trade. That way, if we lose one, we got more bullets, and we're gonna try to make it minimum 1 and 2, 1 and 3. So between 500 to $750 plus each trade. So Sanaya was looking at this move this morning. So what she would have did was, and like I said, that's where the liquidity was at, below there. So Sanaya was getting in 50%. So she would have calculated, okay, it pushed up, okay, got my ruler, Mr. Boyd said. So from here to here is 52 ticks. 52 ticks, one contract. One contract is $5. So it's 52 times 5. So that would have been $260 you'd have been risking. One contract, and we go on to 500 to 750. So every time you get into a trade, you measure your entry.
Okay.
Gold is and like these blocks are not even that big. So like I say, like that's a good amount. So 250, what's that? Yeah. Yeah, 50 ticks. Yeah, 50 tick stop loss. Man, that 930 gap did his job. Drop that thing. Drop it low. Drop it low. Let's see how much the 530 puts was. Let's see if we got a little bit. Uh, mm, five 530 was 54 cents. Let's see. 529. Did it get some movement? 529. Yeah. 529 was 40 cents. It gave it double. Damn. Damn, man. All of them get it's like let me see. Did 528 get money? Shit. Even 528. Even 528 down. Hey yo, E, even 528 gave you a double. Let's see if 527 gave you it. That's wild. 527?
That's when they're moving fast, man. We do that. Got that momentum. You know what I'm saying?
Even 520, 527 down here. So it's like you can have a wide. Okay. Miss Debbie, she said, yeah, she got into the put, yeah. She just saw 2 or 3. That's what's up. That's what's up.
We'll have to shoot all the way back up to 534.
She just don't leave with about 50% overall. Miss Debbie, she got a model now, but she trying to get all her money before the market open. She trying to get all her money before 9:30. Damn, you can have wide, you can have a wide range. Ooh, there we go. There go that push. There you go. Drop that thing. Ooh wee. 833. I don't know what that is. Let me see how long it's gonna take Charles Schwab transfer the money, man. Shit, come on, man.
They take forever, I heard.
They
Why
told
don't
me
you
next
do a
week.
wire, man? Just wire that thing. Get it in there.
Man, come on, man.
Just wire that thing, man. Play with it.
You're
25
right.
better all ain't gonna hurt you, man.
Right. Nah. Ooh, look at this drop. Drop that thing. Hey, Miss Debbie, which option did you get? Hey, yo, Amir.
Yes, sir.
130. Now ask yourself, what's the likelihood we go all the way back up here? She got the 530s. It's Debbie got the five. Oh shit. What did I do wrong?
So, boy, what is all that on the side, the 530 and all that?
Hey,
And
hey,
the
hey, hey, man, you nosy, man. Focus on this, man. Don't worry about this, man. This is for the people on YouTube, man. They know. Ooh wee. That's a double. That's a double. This for options, Bailey.
all right.
Okay, Miss Debbie. Okay, Miss Debbie bought for 65 cents. Okay, Miss Debbie, is that one? Ooh, 150. Drop that thing. Drop it all. And I know Mr. Ron said, "Oh yeah, I'm waiting for it to come back to that TFA line." Shit, I ain't taking that motherfucker right there. I know you fucking lying. That's what's up. Hey, this 15-minute CID is null and void. That's 100 points. Let me see. Hey, yo, Miss Stephanie, did you get puts? Let me see. I know, Debbie got them. I know Miss Carol was looking at them. Hey, yo, Miss Stephanie, did you get options? Let's see. Hey, yo, Bailey, man, since you the man of many questions and you want to know, okay, so these numbers right here correlates with the option version of the futures. So QQQ is the same thing as NQ. NQ is the futures version. QQQ is the stocks and options version. Does that make sense, Bailey?
Okay.
So when price went up and took out previous day high, which is a higher time frame PD array, some of my adults they was like, well, the likelihood we're more likely to go lower. So when we was up here, they bought options for 531, 530, but they bought it out the money. So they bought it with feeling that the market would go lower. Does that make sense, Bailey?
Not really.
Okay,
How
okay.
did these numbers on the side correlate with what's going on the chart?
It's the same thing. This is the futures version. This is futures NQ. This is the stock QQQ. It's the same thing. Oh, okay, Bailey. Uh, you got a twin brother. This is your twin brother, QQQ. Does that make sense, Bailey?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. This is you NQ. Bailey NQ, your brother QQQ. Drop that thing. Take it to 529. This thing is pushing. Flush this thing today, man. There we go. Flush that thing. There we go. Flush that thing. Hey, yo, Sanaya, does that make sense? So, like, Sanaya, this is you. This is your twin sister. Y'all the same thing. You, you and Q, you stay up 23 hours a day, 5 days a week. Your sister, she only come out to play from 9:30 to 4:15.
I mean, yeah, that makes sense. I feel like I would get it more though if I were to trade out. If I was to like try to learn how to.
No. We want to learn this first.
No, I'm not gonna. No. I'm not talking about right now. I'm just saying in general.
Yeah, somebody asked me in my DMs about that with y'all. He said, "Are you gonna teach the kids options?" We got first master this.
So
We
I got a
master this.
question.
What's up?
Which one do you think is easier, options or futures?
Uh,
I know
fu-
you said
uh,
which one was safer, but
okay, you learn price action in futures. Option comes like that real quick.
so you
You
think, sorry.
no, you good. You go ahead.
Oh, I was just gonna say, so you think futures is the base of options?
The way we trade futures is the base, meaning that I am teaching you the most simplest, effective way to trade futures, with the highest probability and with a high win rate. Because right now you're learning exactly where price should go and where price should not go to. Does that make sense tonight?
Yes, that makes sense.
So we know that. So we know that in according to our TFA, we wait for our higher time frame to be hit, our 15-minute CID to be formed, and then our 1 minute entry. On options, you can be a little more risky because you can say, okay, we hit this higher time frame level. But the likelihood is that we are going to go lower before going higher. So if I see we hit this higher time frame level, I could be looking at a 531, a 530 put. So down is put, up is calls. Okay, so we up here, we hit this level. Market opens at 9:30, and we push up higher at 9:40. So at 9:40, I'm looking lower. I'm looking where liquidity at right here. 532, 531, 530. So tonight, remember this time. Let's say 938. So 938. Now let's look at the option chart. Share the 938. Where we at 938? Right here. How much? 60 cent. So, Mr. Nye, you put in 60 cent, $60. It goes as high as $160. And also, this is liquid, meaning that $60 here, 160 here. You close out for 160. That's all your money. You ain't gotta wait 5 days or nothing. As soon as you close it, I think the next day, once it clear, that's your money. But yeah, I think this is the one that Miss Debbie was in. She got in at 65 cents, so she got in a little bit up here. She sold two of them probably. Hey, Miss Debbie, did you sell them, the first two at 100%? And then she probably, depending on how if we keep flushing like this, what? Because down here, you was buying a 530 put. The market was at 533. So the likelihood, like, we're not going out there. That's what the market maker thinks. But the way we trade with high probability is the likelihood is we turn around. So you buying in and selling that put when nobody believes in it. Does that make sense, Sanaya?
Yes, that makes sense.
We buy out of the money options that get into the money. Once they get into the money, then it start cooking. Like right now, think about it, start jumping because now we in the money. But just think about it. You bought it for 50 cents, it go to 150. That's 200% on your money. Yeah, we flushing this thing. There we go. There we go. There you go. Look. There we go. Grind it up. Drop that thing. I'm looking at that gap we made. Yeah, right by that 15-minute CID. I want to see if we get a bounce there. But so this was the 5:30 call. So let's say, so now you said, well, I want to get a little bit closer. So say you get a 5:32. That 5:32 went $1. So $100 to almost $300. You see how like when you buy closer to the money, it don't give you that money at, make that money like you should. But when you can predict where price should go, man, 531. Yeah, 531 went 80 cents to over $2. That's 200% return on your money in less than an hour.
That's not bad.
Oh, okay. So now I got a question. When you doing somebody nails, how much you charge?
It all just depends. The highest I've charged is 85.
Okay, $85. You'd have bought one contract for $85. You would have sold it right here for $200. In less than a, how long does it take you to do that $85 set? How long did it take you? An hour?
It's only about an hour and a half, hour and a half. Yeah.
So this move right here took less than an hour, and you didn't took that $85 that young lady gave you, and you made $200 on it.
It's not bad.
Shit, it ain't bad. Where you go? Almost 3x your over 200% your money. Y'all be saying not bad shit. Welcome to the real world, man. Ain't nobody gonna give you no 200% on your. Ain't nobody gonna give you 100%. Ain't nobody gonna give you 50% of return of your money. You gonna say it ain't bad? Hey yo, 250% ain't bad. That ain't bad, man. That ain't bad. That ain't bad. That ain't bad. Right, Miss Briggs. Nonchalant about the money. Now, see, what you understand is, Miss Williams, just think about it. If you can consistently, let's just say consistently get 50% return on your money, do you know the compound aspect of that, Miss Williams?
No, do you want to tell me?
Come on, man. You know boy going, hey, boy, I gotta look out for you. Okay, so you had that $85. $85. That young lady gave you $85. Screen time. So that's let me go to my assistant. So let's see. Let me talk to it. Hello? Let me see. What is
Could you clarify what you're asking about? I'm all ears.
Oh yeah, that's what's up. Hey yo, Sanaya, she's gonna start with $85. She's gonna take one trade and she's gonna make no, she's gonna cut that $85 into 1/4, and she's going to take that and make 50% return on her money. How much? What is her total after the first trade?
All right, let's break this down. Sanaya starts with $85, cuts it into 1/4. So that's 85 divided by 4.
Oh, somebody calling me. Hold on. Okay. Hey, yo, can you repeat that, man? Somebody was calling me.
Did your assistant give up on you?
No, somebody called me, so it cut off the voice mapping session. Hold on. Yeah, so what's the total after the first trade? So what's the total including the original investment?
Sanaya starts with $85 and takes 1/4, which is $21.25 to invest. She makes a 50% return on that $21.25, which is $10.62.25. So her investment becomes $31.87, or $31.88 rounded. Since she only invested 1/4 of her $85, she still has the remaining 3/4, which is $63.75. Adding her post-trade amount, $31.88 to the uninvested amount, $63.75. Her total, including the original investment, is $95.63.
Okay, on the next trade, she cuts that in 1/4 also, and she gets 50%. How much will she have on the second trade total?
Starting from your last question, Sanaya's total after the first trade, including her uninvested money, is $95.63. For the second trade, she takes 1/4 of this, which is $95.63 divided by 4, equaling $23.97.05. She invests this and makes a 50% return, so 50% of $23.97.05 is $11.95.375. Adding that to her investment, her post-trade amount for the second trade is $23.97.05 plus $11.95.375, which is $35.86125, or $35.86 rounded. She still has the remaining 3/4 of her $95.63, which is $71.7225, or $71.72 rounded. Adding her post-trade amount, $35.86, to the uninvested amount, $71.72, her total after the second trade is $107.58.
This thing is dropping.
Whoa, sounds like something's going wild.
Oh,
Are we talking about Sanaya's trade still?
my bad.
Or is this a...
My bad, dog. My bad, dog. Okay, let's say Sanaya takes so 2 weeks, so that's eight a month, 48 trades total. What would be her total after 48 trades?
All right, no worries. Let's get into it. Sanaya's making 48 trades, and from what we've been working with, she starts with $85, takes 1/4 of her total each trade to invest, and gets a 50% return on that investment. So each trade, she invests 25% of her current total, earns 50% profit on that investment, and adds it back to her uninvested portion. After the first trade, we calculated her total as $95.63. After the second, it's $107.58. This is a compounding process over 48 trades. To figure out her total after 48 trades, we can use the pattern. Each trade multiplies her total by a growth factor. She invests 25% of her total, so the invested amount is 0.25t, where t is her total before the trade. A 50% return means she gets 1.5 times that invested amount back, so the profit is 0.25t divided by 0.125t. Her new total after each trade is the uninvested portion, 0.75t, plus the returned investment, 0.25t divided by 1.5, 0.375t, which is 0.75T divided by 375T is 1.125T. So each trade multiplies her total by 1.125. Over 48 trades, starting from $85, her total is $85, her total is $85, 1.125 comma, you perfectly 48. Calculating that, 1.125
Bro, what is this guy talking about? Like, don't. Yeah, this has confused me so much.
7.134 is about $25,256.39. After 48 trades, Sanaya's total would be approximately $25,256.39. That's some serious stacking, dog.
Hey, hey, tonight, did you get the math?
Where's your boy? Is that ChatGPT?
I
Nah,
don't know. I
right.
don't know how we got there, but I know we
Hey,
got
I
there.
don't care how I got there. I just want to know the numbers. Hey,
I
I don't
don't
care how.
know. Yeah, I don't know how we got there, but I know we got there. I don't know. He was just doing a lot of
of
He
math.
lost me. He lost me at 85. I'm lost still. I'm stuck at 85.
So after
I
can you
did
start
90
with
something. 90 something. He said we went from like 90 something to 107. And
Yep.
after that, he was just going on and going on and going on.
So if you take two options trades a week and you get 50% and you only use 1/4 of your money. Oh, Miss Debbie said she out. Woo! Miss Debbie, what you in with? Three. It went as high as 360. What you get, Miss Debbie? She done 5x her money on that last one. Woo. Okay, focus boy. 25,256.39. So now you start with $85. You take two trades a week for 6 months. This is your total.
Oh yeah, that's not bad.
That's not bad. Hey, man, hey, like Miss Briggs said, y'all are nonchalant about some goddamn money. Where you going? Where you gonna turn $85 to 25,000?
Hey, she
in
said
six?
that's cute.
That's cute, right? That's cute, right, man? Shit. So now that girl pay you $85 for her nails. You didn't turn it into 25,000.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Ain't bad. Wait until you get into the real world and you get that first job and they say this gonna be your yearly salary 25,000. Then you be like, oh damn, I can make that. Then you say, well, Mr. Boyd, well, I guess you weren't lying. We got our Bear CID confirmed? Nope, not yet. Shout out to Miss Debbie. She her last option when she bought a 65 cent, she sold it for $3.24. So Sanaya, she paid $65. In an hour, she made $324.
Oh yeah, that's not bad. That's good.
Not bad. Hey, yo, Sanaya, what is great? Y'all said
You're never gonna hear me say, "Oh my gosh, that's great." I'm not gonna say that. I'm gonna say, "Oh yeah, that's not bad."
oh Lord. Wait until you get to the real world.
I don't know why she's sitting up here trying to act nonchalant. She is not nonchalant, y'all. Don't believe this facade she's putting on.
Nice. Nice. Hey, yo, Bailey, man,
No,
Y'all
you turn
EPs, ain't
$85. Right.
That's
Hey,
that
I
Bailey,
just
E.
don't look. Listen. I just don't know. Like,
Sound
yeah,
like
that's
me.
good. That's good money. But like, what you want me to say? Oh my gosh, that's amazing. That is so amazing. No, I should be like, that's not bad. That's good. That's good. You know?
hey, yo, Sanaya, some of the large, okay, think about it like this. Your mom, her her 401k she probably got at her job. in the last 10 years, it probably then gave her maybe 50% for for a 10-year period. You talk about going from $85 to $25,000. You talk about you at that rate, after your first trade, you'd have made more than your mother did in 10 years, percentage wise.
Come on.
That's good.
Come on.
Wait till, hey, like Carl on YouTube said, wait till the bills come in. And he said, thank you, Jesus, right?
Well, I've been speaking life over myself. I won't have to worry or stress about bills. I'm gonna be financially stable enough to pay for it and not even stress about what I have left because I'm gonna have money.
She gonna live in abundance.
Abundance. I'm telling you, billionaire. I'm telling you. You heard it from
Maybe
me.
you can achieve it.
What day you heard it? 6/20/2025. I'm telling you, I'm gonna be a billionaire.
The day after Juneteenth, you couldn't do it on Juneteenth?
Well, was it on Zoom Juneteenth? Other than that, other than the
Give me
other
my
time,
points.
no.
Come on. Give me-
Look at that move. This was midnight opening. It hit. What did the 528 go? I know that had to go crazy. 528. 528 went 30 cent to 180. 6x.
Come on, man. Give me my 50. No, you got it in you.
No, Miss Debbie. See, it's the same. See, you made 6x on that, Miss Debbie. See, they were looking at that SPX. That's too, man. You'd have been spending $3 to make 12. Nah, that's too risky. I ain't about to spend no 300. Nope. Never gonna make it. Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Ain't there yet.
It ain't. We went as high as 533.50 to 528. See, it's like I just said 50% return on your money. You got a pie and you cut the pie into four and you use 1/4 of it and you make 50%. And at the end, and you take 2 trades a week, and at the end of the year, you got 25,000. Now, just imagine if you add 6 more months to that. Let me go ahead and ask my dog. Add another 6, 8, 48 trades. How much? Okay, added another 48 trades to that. What will be my total?
Yo, let's keep tracking Sanaya's wild trading run. After the last round, her total after 96 trades was about 7,504,668,073 cents. She's still taking 1/4 of her total for each trade, investing it, and pulling a 50% return, which means each trade multiplies her total by 1.125 from the uninvested 75% plus the 25% invested with a 50% profit. For another 48 trades, we start with 7,504,668,073 cents and multiply by 1.125 by 48, which we know is roughly 297.134. So 7,504,668,073 cents by 297.134 comes out to about 2,238,176 cents. After adding another 48 trades, 144 trades total from the start. Sanaya's total would be approximately 2,238,317 dog. Want to keep going or check anything else?
Hey, yo, E man, them
Did he
numbers.
just call you dog?
This my assistant.
Oh, okay.
What's good, yo? I'm just your trusty assistant, crunching them numbers for Sanaya's trading empire. You talking about those billions we just stacked up? 2,238,383,177 extents after 144 trades? If you're vibing with E-Man or want to keep rolling with more trades or something else, just let me know what's up.
Man, turn that shit off.
Hey,
Hey, this sounds generic as hell, man. Like, I don't like that, man. You know
hey man. Hey man, grok the truth, man. Grok the truth. Hey, grok, rock the truth. There you go. 50.
52. I'm gone. What clip?
What clip?
What clip, bro? You know what I be looking for, man.
They said that's wild. What happens there? Oh yeah, that's grok. Yep.
It went but. I must rest this. $48 takes risk.
One contract for us. Hey, but that's wild, man. That's why, man. Options is that secret that hey, we just found out in the last 5 years. So now I gonna say 20. Oh yeah, 25,000. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah, you took $85 that you made for doing somebody else. Turn that 85. Man. Now I understand why these mentors and people that charge for their services. Hey man, you can make man, you can make a killing, man. Like somebody pay you a subscription fee every month, and you use their money and play options with
You gotta do
man.
it halfway, know what you're talking about.
Huh?
All you gotta do is just halfway know what you do. Well, okay.
That's hard, man.
1/10 of a way know what you're talking about.
Hey,
and have some personality.
man, let's just say you got you a mentorship or a Discord and you charge, let's say $25 a month. And let's say you got 100 people every month. They paying you that. Now you got 2,500. Nah.
You going at 50, bro?
You going against the grain, man. You ain't waiting.
Hey, man. Wood grain with the leather seats.
hey, look at that, man. That 4 hour gap is coming. That 4 hour gap is coming. Hey, Carl, wow for that. Okay, let's say you got 100 people that pay you 25 a month. Okay, you got 2,500 every month. Okay, you cut that in 4s. So the first trade, you risk $625 and you make 50%. Now you're at $937.50.
I tell you what, let's do some real world math.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now.
Nah, man. Do $99 to $1,600.
This nigga. Okay.
Coach, we might have a case study where that might have took place.
Okay, so how much is it?
It was $99,
$99.
and you had
How many
1,600
people?
members
1,600 times 99.
at your peak.
Okay, so
hypothetically speaking, of course.
so that's 158,400. We push into that 4-hour gap, man. Focus, boy. Focus, boy. How much? How much your overhead?
From low balling.
So out that 158,000 a month, you might spend what? 25,000.
Let's say that.
So now that's 133,000 a month. Man, you can put what 50,000 into options.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
And let's say you ran that for about a year.
Man, I know you right, man. Come on. Good. Woo. Look at this. We got our closure. We're about to dig right into that 4-hour gap like it ain't nothing. Hey, E, what we talk about? PM session move, right? So what I'm looking for now is we hit this 4-hour bullish gap. It might be a move to go back up top. So, hey yo, Amir.
Yes.
Okay, so we got in the next minute, we got the potential for a bear CID. But we are right by the 4-hour bullish gap. It's not worth it. So what I'm looking for now is it to hit the 4-hour bullish gap and then look up. I'm not trying to set it down from here right now at all. Does that make sense?
Can you explain that?
Okay, so the 4-hour bullish gap is right here.
Mhm.
I'm not looking to sell it down there because it's right there, and that's where price can bounce. So I'm not going to risk what going from 70 to shit at this rate right now. It's about to hit it. Never mind. I ain't got to worry about that.
Okay.
I ain't got to worry about nothing. Does that make sense, Amir?
Yes.
Because if you're looking for a 1 minute move in the macro, it's going right there, right there. It ain't worth it. What's the name of the QQQ indicator? It's called QQQ by PT Gambler. Here we go. We got to confirm 15-minute bear CID, but I'm not looking at that. I really wanted to dig deep inside this 4-hour gap. That way the bullish CID is a lot lower because right now it got to come all the way back up here. So the likelihood is we're going to run deeper inside this 4-hour gap. Hey, Greg said my Grog assistant sound like Randy Jackson from America's Got Talent. Can you show me your NDX settings? NDX settings. There you go. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Mark said no 5-minute chart. Nah. 15-minute. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Man, that was a hell of a move down, man. Some of y'all asked for that 10x move. This might be a 10x on them options. Oh, Miss Berry said, can you show the option chart again? I got you. Share. That's the 528. We were looking at the 531s. That thing went, let's say, $1 to 4. Oh X, Miss Briggs. Oh X. Oh X. Yeah. Yeah, Mike says SMT at the high. So this was previous day high on ES. We didn't take it. Then it pushed back down. And Q took it out previous day high. We dumping inside of this. We dumping. Let me see. Can we get way up here? $5. Hey yo, E, ain't that market maker buy model complete on this chart? There you go. Market maker buy model complete right there. Buy model complete. Wow. What did the let me see. What the 526 is? This a 10x right here. Yeah. 526. It was what? 20 cents to $2. Ooh. What the 525 went? 13 cents? 20 cents? Let's say 30, let's say 17. To, yeah. That's 10x. Flush the whole, flush that whole 4 hour gap. Fuck it. Five 27s. 20. Yes, 10x. Share. Look at this push down. Just go ahead and go all the way back to the new day opening gap down here, 747. Fuck it. Take it down there. Hey, I know Marty probably holding it down there. Hey, yo, Marty, what's your target? The new day opening gap? Oh, Mark said he out there with the open. Is his runner. Gotcha. Ooh wee. Keep on pushing. Take the gap. Yo, E.
What up, bro?
If you would have got these strikes, they went 10, 11x. Like, I'm looking at it right now. Let's say you're looking at 525. It went 13 cent to $1.78. Talking about over 12, 1300% return on your money.
Mm-mm-mm. I
Yeah,
figured it might
shit.
bounce right though.
Right. Here you go. Right here. Look at this. Let's say you got out here at 15, 16 cent. $1.70. That's 10x. Molly said 20,522. That's pushing it. Connection, disconnect. Don't even try it. Disconnect. Hey yo, E. I know you, and you probably looking like white meat. Oh, definitely indicator fire. That way you ain't gotta look away from it. Yo, Bailey.
User.
Hey, this will happen when the market does everything. Hey, you just sit on your hands. This is the best thing about the market sometimes. Because Belly, remember what we say, we only need uh, one or two, three great trades.
All right.
Hey, yo, Bailey.
User.
Hey, yo, other mentor, Eric on here. He in this trade right here. That's why he's so quiet. He in this trade right here. This is
Or
this is this yeah, this is the move he like to see right here. He just go for 50. All he wants 50 points. Keep on pushing. Take out the 50. There we go. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Hit the gap. That's the first target. Come on. A little bit more. There we go. Target filled. He out. So let me see something. So we was here. What's a 527 call? How much is that? Trade 527. This is next. There we go. Chart. What's the name of the QQQ indicator I just got on? Oh, it's called QQQ by PT Gambler. So E got in right there. So this was 527. Let's see how much. Let's see that call. Share 527. QQQ. E got in right there. 114. 163. Hannah said we hit the 15-minute CID. Nah, no, it didn't. It's gonna go up here probably. Two. Look about right there. Jay Guap said the indicator is locked. It shouldn't be. It's two versions. Do the one that's not locked. Bruh, so why is that not one? How is it a 15-minute CID, Hannah? I got a 15-minute CID. Hey yo, we coming here on the option chart. We got in for $1.15. We already got 50%. Hey yo, Amir.
Mhm.
Hey, help my friend Hannah out. She said we hit a 15-minute CID. That's why price is going up. Do we even look for what's step one?
Like
Hit
4 hours.
right, hit the 4 hour. So we hit the 4 hour. So now we looking for a 15-minute bullet CID. Now we already hit one, correct?
Mhm.
Had a land, had a land. Okay, Jay Watt say invite script only. No, he's looking at something wrong. Hold on. Share.
I'm out, bro.
Oh, hey, I told y'all niggas in there, hey man, I know the nigga, man, like a book. Man, you said 50, man. You said, hey, it's going here, man. Everybody said we hit the bullet CID on the 15th from Thursday. How? How? Y'all y'all not reading it like you're supposed to. We came down and hit a 4 hour bullish gap from yesterday. Now we're looking forward to make a new 15-minute bullish CID.
Yeah, see, I ran that range right here, from here to here. And I said, okay, it's gonna get something in here.
Hey, hey, you saw my screen, and I knew nigga was in here. I knew you was in here. 11:07. I knew you was in there. Go to the 15-minute. Okay. Right, but yeah, he looking to the left, but this CID, according to it, we hit higher time frame level. We come down, we hit the 4 hour gap. Now we're looking for a 15-minute CID. This CID from here is null and void. It's null and void. This move is already done. This CID took price all the way up here and took out these highs. It come back down. It can go straight through it. That's why we're looking for another candle. She said the 930 candle was the last thing. You're correct. And we took out all these highs. Hit higher time frame, previous day high. Come down. That's done. This is null and void. We can smoke through all this right now. Yeah. Right. And price made a bearish CID. Yeah, I'm not. Yeah. We're not looking for it to go all the way back up. Yeah, yes. If it give us a bullish uh CID, it can go all the way back up. And this was the 15-minute CID we were looking at earlier. Because this one it did last night, it hit high time frame liquidity and came back into a 4 hour gap. Man. Hey, shout out to the teams, man. We just simple and to the point, man. It do A, B, C. So the entry is the playback. Yeah, the passive the CID. She said so the entry is to play it back up to the CID. No, he can go higher. We can go all the way back up here if we want to. But right now, he's making a yeah on the 4 hour ain't nothing. We hit the 4 hour bullish gap. Now we just wait on the 15 minute for a 15 minute CID. It can give us. I wanted to give us a lower low. That way it breaks up this down movement. Because right now, for us to get a bullish CID, it gotta go all the way back up here. I would like for it to make a lower low in the PM session, take out this low, then give us something right here. Then we can run this thing back all the way back up. Hey, I knew you was in that fucking trade. As soon as I saw that 1 minute gap right there, man, in this trade, man. Inside the macro too. I'm like, man, that man ain't waiting. We should,
Ain't
we should,
nothing
we
else
should,
to
we,
talk about.
you know, talking about, hey,
I
that's
give you
your trade.
everything you would want in the reverse.
We should hit midnight.
Yep.
Like right now, we just wait. I'm waiting for a 15-minute bullet CID because that's step two. Yeah, I'm out here early. Hey, I'm done for the week. Out here early. Hey yo, hey yo, Bailey,
Yes, sir.
you ready for Monday? Bright and early?
Yes, sir. Right and
Monday,
early.
bright and early. Miss Williams, you ready for Monday?
Yes, I am.
Got that account ready for Monday?
Yes.
Okay. 850, 950, 1050 macro.
Oh, we gotta have the account ready. You're not gonna help us set it up. Okay.
Amir, you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Hey, Amir, so when old girl take you out this weekend, make sure you home Sunday before 12, man.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, so now you're admitting it, man. You said
No, I'm
okay.
not admitting it.
Hey,
I'm just
say,
tired of this narrative.
hey, that's what your mother said. He said, young lady took a mirror out, brought him back home about 12, 1 o'clock in the
He never
morning.
said that.
Okay. Mama, that's what Mama T said. Hey yo, E, we basing just like right here.
Yep.
Base, just base.
Mr. Boy, what is it on again? What is it on again?
On what?
What are we gonna be trading on?
Oh, Top Step. Hey yo, London.
Yes.
Your uncle get you them accounts yet?
Uh,
I talked to him. Don't worry about it. I talked to him. Hey, yo, Jamal, you got your accounts, don't you?
Yeah. Yes, I have my account. Yes.
Yeah. People was like, boy, you gonna have them practice that practice for what? We've been practicing for the last 2 months. It's go time. Ain't no practice. Nah. It's go time on Monday. Bailey gonna be in charge of the Zoom. He gonna say, yeah, we're getting in here. Hey, maybe Miss Williams can help you out, Bailey. It's go time on Monday. Ain't no time to second guess it. Nope.
Them lights bright now.
Right, light bright. I had someone else say, boy, you gonna have them practice? No. No. We on the fast track. We've been riding together for about 2 months. We didn't watch price action for going on a month. We didn't had our 3 classes. Oh yeah, it's time to go.
You know, the summer session ain't as long as the spring and the fall.
Right. We ain't got time to we ain't got time to play around. We had three Zoom sessions, and we went over steps 1, steps 2, steps 3. Then we had a month of live Zoom sessions, which hey yo, Bailey, are you ready? See, Bailey ready.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Either you gonna pass it or you gonna fail it. And
Right.
this ain't gonna be the first combine you fail. We have failed hundreds, some of it in thousands before we pass our first one. But it's about getting that muscle memory and pressing the button when your setup occurs. If A, B, and C, you press the button. Ain't no nope. We're going A. I'm throwing y'all right into the fire. You got 36 people on YouTube and 9 people on Zoom. That's gonna help you out. You ain't alone next week. But like to talk about, Billy, we have 1,500. I know you said 3,000. We're gonna cut that in half. We're gonna say 1,500. Once we make that 1,500 next week, either we're gonna make 1,500 or we're gonna blow the account. Once we make that 1,500, we're done for the week. I'll see y'all next week. Ain't nothing to talk about.
So it could all be over on Monday.
It can all be over on Monday. Hey, it could be one Zoom session Monday. That's it. It can all be over on Monday. Or it can take 2 days. It can take Monday and Tuesday. And then y'all can have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday to yourself. 5-day weekend every week. Mama T said, make sure they're on the right contract. Oh yeah, on Top Step, it only gives you the right contract. You can't pick different ones like you can on TradingView.
Yeah, so now you can
Said,
buy
Mama
your
said,
own
"Bitch."
church's chicken chain.
Right. Or Bucky's gas station.
Oh, gee, I did not realize I texted that in the general chat. That is embarrassing.
Oh yeah, we saw it.
So
Let's all just ignore it. Don't look at it.
Somebody, what you say you finna be little millionaires and billionaires?
Right.
That's the one you talking about, ignore? Okay, we'll
Right.
ignore that.
You're not making it. Oh my god.
Hey yo, E, you would say 1,500 is how many trades?
Oh, how many contracts?
We risking 250. So
$250.
yeah,
1,500 on using TFA.
yeah.
You could probably get 2 trades.
Okay.
If you're using one contract, it's probably 2 trades because let's see, 50 points is 1,000. So you have to get 75 points to get 1,500 with one contract in one shot. So the average TFA probably give you. Well, now I will say now the average TFA will probably give you that around that amount.
Also, E,
Catch
if we catch an 850 macro and we say, hey, fuck it, yeah, we gonna hold it to 930, that could give you the whole 1,500 right there.
Yeah, you can probably get the whole thing though.
Yeah,
So
the
the only thing that's going to matter is that how wide your entry is. So how many contracts you able to put on, and then your target.
Hey yo, E, that option is at almost at 100%. Yeah, if you would have got
The call
the call almost at 100%.
at midnight. Yeah, I thought it might go up to midnight, but I'm good, man.
So 1,500 is the goal next week. 1,500. After that, we done. I see y'all in the team's telegraph. After that, we done. And don't let you catch a gold trade with 2.
See, that's a different story.
It can all be done in one trade. That one trade. You get more than that because gold will give you 10 points. That's $2,000.
Yeah, but you got to cut that off.
Yeah,
cut it off. You don't want to be like one of my APs. Ran too far one time. So, trying to help him sell it back down. We gotta get rid of some of this money, man. What? Hey,
man, I told you
it's hard to count it, to try to lose money sometimes, bro. It's hard. Bro. I didn't realize how hard that was. Like,
was that 100? E? Yeah, that's 100. Hey, man.
Number 15. 15 seconds more than that.
Oh, you said down here.
That's why I told you I'm good.
And you probably got into VI. Woo! Woo! Hey, he said it's called doing business. This gonna be a wild 4-hour candle at this rate. Yeah.
You put your ass right back in the range.
Yeah, look.
How long we been in there? Look how long. What's this right here? Let's just say we pretty much been in this range the whole time.
Yep.
So how far back is that? What's that?
Almost May 28th. Yeah, almost a month, 3 weeks.
We've been playing 3 weeks. But there's money to be made.
Yeah, watch this, E. Share. It's a double.
Yeah, you had that line on where your green line went.
Yeah, right there. Yeah. You saw it?
Yeah, I saw it now. No hindsight.
No hindsight. Nothing to say. It's where it going.
Call the shot.
That's first target. Then we get out. We're almost there.
Where your froggy at?
Right there. Right there. $3.
Froggy.
$3.
She probably gonna hit you with this soon. It's the end of the day.
Yeah.
Like something like that. Just park it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was different because, like, the thing say, well, on the what number 7 was it
Shit.
number 7?
Oh shit. Man, watch it. Miss Sharon said, push. I got 531 and 532. What she get 531 for? Shh. What she pay? What? 20 cent? Man. And she got 532s. Shh. Hey, I just I hate saying this, man, but you can be a lot more riskier in options, man. Cause you looking like, man, okay, it's hitting this higher time frame liquidity, man. 4 hour bullish gap, man. It should give me some
It got to get
bounce.
some kind of move, some kind of energy
It got to
right
get
there
some
first
kind of oh
out of that gap.
man.
It ain't gonna just run through the gap and
They go
close
right.
without bouncing.
It's rare that it does it. It rare
Right.
does it.
It take news
Yeah,
or something like that to do that.
Right. No news, and it's like when you look at the chart, and shout out to Greg who showed us this, man. But look at this. This was right here, and then you're looking at, okay, if I'm bouncing midnight opening right there, that's 528.
Right. That was my initial target, but once we got here and I started seeing the move, I said, you know what, I'm good. We ain't got to go all the way there.
And hey, guess what? That 528 went from your entry E is 80 cent is at 160. It's a double. We just so now you're just trying to get 50%. Hey yo, this weekend grab a 50K top step. We're gonna trade it with these teams next week. Off of Bailey's call outs. 50K.
I can get another 50K. Well, top step. You said top step. See, I be moving.
Yeah, top step.
That might take up too much of my screen.
No, they do a web based, so you can do it on your phone.
See, Monday I'll be around. No, I won't, because my flight don't land till 10. So
where you going?
Pensacola, man. I gotta go back to Pensacola.
And that boy stay on the road.
Pensacola, Alabama, Fort Lauderdale, back to Atlanta.
Okay. When you get to Atlanta, stop by Amir, man, at the airport, Savannah Airport. He gonna be there.
It's Savannah. Well, that's on the other side, bro.
Yeah, man, we done for the day. We done for the week.
And they're gonna try to stall you out.
Exactly. Yo, teams, we live Monday. I'll probably hop up on a little earlier, like at 8 o'clock.
Let me see what time my flight is. I think it's leaving 9 something.
Bring y'all accounts because we gonna hit that. We're gonna look at an 850 macro, 950 macro, 1050 macro. Our goal is $1,500. Once we make that, I'll see y'all the following week. Y'all got any questions?
No.
No, sir.
No.
Okay. 1,500 is our goal. Either we make 1,500 or we blow the account up. It ain't gonna be the first time you blow the account up. As long as we take the correct trade and we all in accordance with the trade we taking.
Like leave
You said what?
9:55. I might be able to set it and just get over.
I got you. We all try to take the same trade. But some of us might get out a little earlier when it start the shaking. No
Y'all got
questions?
it. Y'all got it.